Welcome to my first unboxing video here at Raven's Haven. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Fidelo wallet. Now, when it first came to me, I kind of got a little overzealous and pulled it out of the bag here. But then I thought to myself, why don't we do an unboxing? Okay, let's see what we have here. Nice little box. Open it up. We got some code stuff. Okay. And here's the wallet. Little gel thing, little genuine leather thing, it says here. Interesting. Made with genuine leather. Nice to know. These are the little rubber band things, the elastic belt money clips that I saw on the advertisement. Okay. Put that over here. Here's the Fidelo wallet. There we go. All right. Rip that off. It's just some paper. All right. Here we go. It's nice little something in there that mimics a credit card. All right. It's leather, all leather. Right around there, a little pouch for cards. And then there's a plastic sleeve over here. I believe you're supposed to do like that, press that. The card pops out. It's nice that they gave you little sample cards, so that way you could make little unboxing videos like this. All right, let's see. This pushes out. Yep, just like that. Just push it right through there. And this button right here makes the cards pop out. Just push that like so. Take it out. There you go. Okay. Seems to be aluminum. Yep. Some sort of nice aluminum. Yeah. Spring loaded. Okay, let's see how you put the cards in. Supposed to slide it in. Slide in another one. And they pop out like so. Then you select which card you want. Okay. Let's see how these money clips come into play. All right, let's put that in here. All right, and put these little money clips on the wallet like so. I believe these are supposed to be money clips, if I'm remembering right. Nice and tight, I'll tell you that. Whoa, so tight that I almost screwed up the camera. All right. There we go. All right, it's pretty good. And it comes with two of them, so you can place one on the bottom like so, and I guess another one going across. I don't think I'll have too much need of it, because I'll be putting the money, if I ever have any paper money that I need to keep, I'll be putting it most likely in this area right here. There's a little slit right here that you could put money in, or you can put it in this little slit right here. So yeah, I think I'll probably be doing it that way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this wallet for about a month or so, and then I'll do a quick little review on it and let you know if it's worth your time and money to pick one of these up. So far, I've heard a lot of great reviews, and I like the design, and it seems to fit pretty well for my lifestyle. But once again, looks can be deceiving, and you want to try it out yourself. So I'm going to try this out myself, see how it feels, see how it works. And yeah, I'll give you my full review of this wallet in about a month. All right. Well, that's the end of this unboxing. Sorry for the camera falling. This is my first unboxing. But yeah, that's it. Here you go. Fidelo wallet. And that was my unboxing of the Fidelo Minimalist wallet. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the little bell icon so that way you get notified of more videos from Raven's Haven. Anyways, until next time, have a great day.